أهلا, hello. Today we're going to conjugate the infinitive أكل to أنت and أنتِ. So second person, singular, female and male. Let's start with the past tense for male. أكلت, أكلت. We add ta with fatha at the ending. For a female, أكلتِ, أكلتِ. We add ta with kasra at the ending. For the present tense, تأكلوا, تأكلوا. Ta at the beginning and dhamma at the lam. تأكلين, تأكلين. Ta at the beginning and ya, noon at the ending, and also noon is with fatha. You can pronounce it with sukoon, as for lam too in تأكلوا. So you can say تأكلوا or تأكل. You can say تأكلين or تأكلين. The future, we add seen before the present tense conjugation. ستأكل, ستأكلين. We can add سوف, سوف تأكل, سوف تأكلين. To command someone to eat or to ask someone to eat, if it is a boy, كل. If it is a girl, كلي.